What's up guys, the boy Jay from JSFILMZ, and today what we're going to do is to try the features, automatic features in the Parrot Anafi. So, first what we're going to do is a cameraman. I'm going to draw a rectangle on the subject. That's what he's asking me to do. We're in the middle of nowhere so we don't hurt anybody. So here I am. There I am. And let's see if it's going to track me. That's pretty cool. It's pretty much keeping track of me as I walk. Go ahead and record this so you can see it. Ran a little bit, wearing some flip-flops. Alright, that's pretty good. Stop that. Now we're going to go to smart dronies. Okay. Saying I have a weak GPS signal. Okay. That's not good.